Hi my simply beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you do a spotlight eye. It's pretty simple. Basically you just get a dark shade and you mimic your eye shape. You can make it kind of big so your eyes seem a little larger, but this is what you do. You just pat the eyeshadow on the outer corner of your eye and do the same in your inner corner of the eye. So basically you're doing like a dark shade, then it's gonna fade into the lighter shades. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just patting that into there. I'm doing like a V shape. Some people do it more circle like, but I'm just doing like a V shape, basically like a triangle, upside down triangle. So yeah, so I am using this Jaclyn Hill palette. I've been sleeping on this palette again. I say that every time I think, but I've been sleeping on this palette. I've been had it, but I seen it and I was like, I'm gonna play with it today. So that's what I did. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just patting the eyeshadow in there. And yeah, so if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessica. And please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. And yeah, join the crew. So yeah, so I'm just patting that berry color right there beside it. It looks kind of crazy right now, but it will come all together in a few minutes, okay? All right, my simple beauty. So right here, I'm just shaping the eye even more. You can use any brush. I'm using an e.l.f. brush. I love e.l.f. brushes. I'll link my favorite e.l.f. brushes below in the description box. You can use any brush. Right here is the NYX. It's a blending brush I got from Ulta, but I'll link it down below. And let me know what other looks you want me to do, since I'm trying to do detail eye looks so y'all can get the gist of what I'm doing. So some people like to clean out the center, but I'm not doing that. I'm just taking this, it's like a champagne-ish color, patting it in the center with my finger. I'm just patting it all right there. I'm gonna take the next shade in this palette, I'm gonna put on top of that, and then I'm gonna take Jessie's Girl Secret Weapon. It's like a loose pigment, it's like a blue tone one. I'm just gonna put that also in the middle. You'll see that in a minute. But yeah, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video, and yeah. Bye.